Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to check if iPhone is refurbished or new or replacement. If you're using any iPhone and you want to check if your iPhone is refurbished or new or replacement, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your settings app here and settings, just scroll down and look for general. Just select the general option here, then select about. In the about section you'll get any informations about your iPhone here, so you just have to look for model number, and here's the model number. You just have to look for the first character of your model number. So here you can see in my case it's M. So if you will find here M, F, N or P. So if the first character of your iPhone model number is M, so it means that your iPhone is new. There's no any refurbishment or any replacement into your iPhone. Or if your iPhone's model number starts with F, so it means that your iPhone has been refurbished by Apple or any carrier. So in some cases, if you find here M, so it means that your iPhone has been replacement in a warranty. So sometime you might get here P. So if there's P stands for personalization, so sometimes it might be that your iPhone had been personalized by a user, so you'll get here P in your model number. So in this way you can easily check if your iPhone is refurbished or new or replacement. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.